Hey there and welcome. In this video tutorial, we're going to download and install VMware Workstation Pro 17. So without further ado, let's get started. First, head over to Google and type VMware Workstation. Click on the official VMware website. Now navigate to Download Fusion or Workstation. This will forward you to the Broadcom website, where we need to create an account to download Workstation Pro. Go to the top right corner and click on Register. Here you'll need to provide your email address. I'm typing in my Gmail ID now. Then type the text shown in the CAPTCHA verification. Next, you'll receive a verification code in your email. Go to your inbox, check the email from Broadcom, and type the code here. Then you'll see a form where you need to fill in your details. I'm filling in mine now. If you're unemployed, you can select any relevant title from the list provided. You'll then have the option to complete your profile. I'm skipping this step for now. After that, come to the login page and enter your email and password to log into your account. Click on the Free Software Downloads tab shown on the screen. You'll see a list of free products. Search for VMware Workstation Pro. Aha, here it is. Click on VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows and select the latest version to download. Check the box for I agree to terms. Click on Download. It might ask for additional information for verification. Select Yes. Provide your address here and submit the form. Click on Download again. Here our download begins. Let the download complete, and then we'll move on to the installation process. Double-click on the installer to start the installation. Accept the terms of the license agreement and continue with the default configurations. Our installation process has completed successfully. And here it is, our VMware Workstation Pro 17, ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Share your feedback and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials on cybersecurity. Thanks for watching.